Hi, good afternoon to all of us and all MMM members. This is Miss Ana Kizo, MMM Philippines 1K guider and mentor. Today, I'm going to make a video tutorial on how to log in your personal office or a video tutorial for those who are beginners in our system. First and foremost, this is an open tab. Ang gagawin po natin is i-type natin yung uh, official website ng MMM. Okay. So, ayan. This is our official website. And then, we wait na mag-load po yung kabuuan. So, ito po yung pinakang main website po ng MMM Philippines. And then, dito yung ideology ng MMM, what is MMM, MMM and other countries, at saka yung mga charity events, testimonial, and the news. And also, included here is the legalities. Mobile site, for those who are using mobile, you can download this one or mobile application. Here it is. I-click nyo lang po ito and then automatic po mada-download yan. Meron po dito registration for those participants who join MMM. Click registration and then ito yung pinaka-importante yung login to MMM. So, click natin ito. Magre-redirect yan, may lalabas na ganito po guys. So, tandaan po, ang ating official login page is https://mmoffice.com. So, actually po itong akin naka-bookmarks na yan. Kaya lang, I try to show you kung paano po mag-login dun sa mga hindi pa bookmarks na website. So, lagi po nating tandaan na dapat sa official website po tayo kasi po medyo prone sa MMM yung hacking. So, andito na tayo. Ito yung pinakang itsura niyan kapag magla-login na kayo doon direct sa page. So, merong nakalabas dito na enter CAPTCHA. Ang purpose po ng CAPTCHA na to is to identify that the user is not a robot. So, type lang po natin 45732. So, click natin login. So, automatic po, lalabas dito, ito ganito itsura. So, ganito po, login to system. Type lang po natin. So, ang gagamitin ko pong account is yung na i-demo sa inyo is yung account ng aking isang guider. So, ayan, type natin. I-type lang natin yung ating login sa MMM. Usually guys, mas pinopromote ng MMM is Gmail kasi mas secured ang Gmail compared to Yahoo. So, and then after po nyan, type po natin yung password. Ayan. And then click natin yung login. Automatic po, may lalabas na ganito kapag ka naka-confident yan. So, i-click nyo lang po. Don't show again, then next. Ayan. Ito na yung pinakang main page ng ating dashboard, which is, nandito yung dashboard, participants. Under participants are participants. Trustee, kung kayo po ay guider. Referrals, add participants. These features is only for guiders status. And then, andito yung my page. So, ito po yan. Pag clinic nyo, makikita po ninyo yung details po ng inyong account or account information. Dapat po updated siya. Meron siyang complete details, pangalan ng member, apelyido, status niya, email, contact number, tsaka yung country, and then yung registration date, and then kung sino yung guider nung member na yun, nagra-reflect po yan. So, nandito naman sa kabila, your data. So, nandito yung settings na gusto po ninyong mangyari sa personal office. And then, nandito yung guider. Makikita po dito kung sino yung guider nyo. So, ang guider ng account na to is ako. And then, naka-confident po siya sa akin. Kaya ganito, ang lumalabas is siya sa akin. Naka-control confident. So, I have the access of this account. And then, referrer. So, ang referrer po niya nandito. And then, kapag po gusto nyong magbigay ng link doon sa mga invite po ninyo, click nyo lang yung show referral link. So, ito po yan, lalabas. Ika-copy-paste nyo lang po ito in a new tab. And then, o di kaya ibigay nyo po dun sa tao. Automatic po magre-redirect sila doon sa link po ninyong yan. At kapag nag-register sila, ibibigay nyo lang po yung email nyo tsaka yung contact number na ginamit sa MMM. Para po, direct silang mapunta sa structure nyo. So, nandito po may mobile device kapag po naka-activate ito. And then, dito naman yung other features kapag po inactivate yung Google Authenticator. And then, the other one is Mabro. Ito yung money natin sa system which you can say the details of your Mabro. So, current details ng Mabro, andito po. Ito yung mga pera. Actually, guys, yung kama is period dapat yan. Kaya lang kasi, I don't know kung bakit kama yung nailagay. Siguro ganun talaga ang sa Russia kasi Russian po ang may-ari po nito. So, andito po, kapag gusto niyo malaman how much is the available for withdraw, click nyo lang po itong available for withdraw na ito and then lalabas po yung amount, how much is your available no Mabro for withdraw. And then, lagi po ninyong tandaan, ang ating accrued growth is happening every Tuesday and Thursday, 12 midnight po yan. Philippine time po. So, tumataas or nag-grow yung ating Mabro every Tuesday and Thursday, guys. So, nandito naman is yung account details. Pag po nag-add kayo na inyong Bitcoin wallet. So, ito yung controlled number or ID number ninyo. First name, may BTC account, country code, Philippine, peso, and then Bitcoin. Ito yung Bitcoin number, pangalan po. So, ayan. So, ito po yung pinakang enclose yun ng ating account details. And then, andito naman po yung support column. Pag gusto nyo pong mag-write ng complaint po ninyo sa support, you can write it here. Click lang ninyo yung create and then choose the topic that you wanted to complain. So, nandito po lahat. And then, like for example, pipili kayo niyan and then gagawa kayo ng title na inyong complaint. So, ayan po. And then, after po, magsulat lang kayo, Dear CRO. Ayan. Something like that. And then, kung meron kayong attach na files, i-click nyo lang po, Browse Files. Make sure na naka-prepare na yung files na i-attach po ninyo. And then, after that, save. Click Save. And then, automatic, ganito na po itsura niyan. So, ayan. Ganyan na po itsura. And then, magre-reply po yung support, sila yung mga nangangasiwa po ng ating mga complaint direct sa system. So, ayan po. So, I hope this video tutorial that I'm doing will help you a lot, guys. And then, before pa pala ako mag-end, meron tayong dalawang button po dito. Pag nag-provide help po, click nyo lang po ito. So, that means gusto nyo mag-donate sa community. Do not forget to click this one. But first, you should have to read what is written in the warning and then click next. And then so on. So, magpa-process po yan. Click nyo lang po Bitcoin and then next uli. So, specify po nyo how much is the amount you wanted to donate in MMM. Like for example, 500 ganyan. Then click select. And then yung denomination po, ilalagay nyo rin po dito, same amount. Ayan po ha. And then next, and then mapaprocess na rin po yan. Magre-reflect na siya dito sa main dashboard. So kapag nag-get help naman po kayo or magwi-withdraw kayo sa account po ninyo, click nyo lang po get help. So ayan. And then next. And then next uli. And then lagay nyo po how much is the amount. Like for example, 900. And then so on. So ayan po. So I hope guys, this video tutorial that I'm doing right now will help you a lot to be familiar with our personal office, how to log in and how to explore what has been inside. So once again, this is Miss Ana Kizo, MMM Philippines 1K Guider. Long live MMM, together we change the world.